Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this video, I will tell you how to stop cash on delivery for customized product. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So for this, I have used Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Advanced Cash on Delivery. Then you need to click on Limit COD based on product configure button. Then select product tag and select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery using the COD fee option, then you need to toggle on this button and select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button. Then change the status to enabled and select hide COD for this product tag. And you can enter the tag here. Then save your changes. By the way, if you are liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now we will go to the product section and we will add that tag here in the particular product. So basically that is the customized product. Now we will enter the tag here. So here you can see tag has been added. Now save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. You can add that particular product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter the test address. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available for this particular product because we have high COD using this advanced cash on delivery app. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.